Hey guys, welcome to this session. Our topic is measurement of thermal energy. Today let's discuss about the latent energy. Now this latent energy, this is the energy that is supplied in the form of heat that is required to change the state of matter from one form to another. So that kind of energy that is needed to change the state of matter, maybe from liquid to gas, is what we call the latent heat. Now, this latent heat, it cannot be determined or detected by using a thermometer, since it is a hidden heat. So it cannot be detected by this instrument, the thermometer. The specific latent heat, this is the energy supplied to a unit mass, maybe 1 kg, and changes states from one state to another state of matter. So specifically, it means here we're talking about a certain kind of a unit mass of matter that is changed from one state to another. The latent heat of vaporization, this is the heat that is required to change a liquid into a gaseous state at a constant temperature. While the latent heat of fusion, this is the amount of heat that is required to change a state or a substance from solid to liquid at a constant temperature. So these two differ like that. That latent heat of vaporization is the one that changes a liquid to gaseous state, while the latent heat of fusion, that is the one that changes solid to liquid, all at a constant temperature. Now, the specific latent heat of vaporization, this is specifically the amount of heat that is required to change a unit mass of liquid into a gaseous state at a constant temperature. While the specific latent heat of fusion, this is the amount of heat that is required to change a unit mass of solid substance into a liquid at a constant temperature. So when you talk about specific latent heat of vaporization, there is a unit mass of liquid, while in specific latent heat of fusion, there is a unit mass of solid, whereby in specific latent heat of vaporization, that unit mass of liquid is the one that is changed into gaseous state, and that unit mass of solid in specific latent heat of fusion is the one that is changed into liquid at constant temperature. So I hope it's clear, guys. Thank you for listening. We discussed the latent heat, and we've seen various terms related to latent heat. Thank you.